Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's a real people thing. What do we have for you today? Ram goat soup, aka mannish water. You're gonna love this one. Our ingredients are ram goat meat, gungo peas, dumpling, carrot, Irish potato, ram goat noodles, pumpkin noodles, and my favorite seasoning. First up, add your meat and your gungo peas to your pot of boiling water and leave to boil for 20 minutes. Next up, add your dumpling, your carrot, and your Irish to the pot. Next step is to add your thyme, scallion, garlic, and your hot pepper. Don't add too much pepper to the pot. You don't want it unbearable that you can't drink it. Just give it enough to flavor the pot. Next up, I'm gonna add my ram goat noodle, my pumpkin noodle, my vegetable stock cube, and my all-purpose seasoning. Give your pot a little stirring and add your salt if necessary and leave to cook for 6 minutes. Look at that. Bubble pata bubble. Me nah see no trouble. Bubble pata bubble. If you want some, you have to catch me on the double. Bubble patter bubble, we nah seek no trouble. Bubble patter bubble. Yes, my friends, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share up the video with your friends and family. Hope you enjoy watching this video. See you on the next one. Ta-ta, I'm out. Bubble patter bubble, me nah seek no trouble. Bubble patter bubble, me nah seek no trouble. If you want some, you have to catch me on the double. Bubble patter bubble, bubble patter bubble, me nah seek no trouble. Bubble patter bubble.